This is ZtothaO Malek. Welcome to 10 More Black Inventors you may not have heard of. Charles Drew. Every 2 seconds, someone in the United States needs blood. Thanks to Charles Drew, that blood is available. Drew was a physician, surgeon, and medical researcher who worked with the team at Red Cross on groundbreaking discoveries around blood transfusions. In World War II, he played a major role in developing the first large-scale blood banks and blood plasma programs. He also invented bloodmobiles. These are the refrigerated trucks that to this day safely transport stored blood to the location where it's needed most. Otis Boykin. Otis Boykin's most notable contribution to science was likely the circuit improvements he made to pacemakers after losing his mother to heart failure. Boykin had 26 patents in his name and is famed for the development of IBM computers, burglar-proof cash registers, chemical air filters, and an electronic resistor used in the control of missiles and other devices. Philip Omegawale. Due to cost, Philip Omegawale was forced to drop out of school at the age of 14, but this didn't stop him from becoming one of the greatest computer pioneers of our time. In fact, he's also called the Bill Gates of Africa. As an adult, Omegawale began studying nature, specifically bees. The construction of the honeycomb inspired him to rethink computer processing. In 1889, he put this idea to work using 65,000 processors to invent the world's first supercomputer, able to perform 3.1 billion calculations per second. Mark Dean. Born in Jefferson City, Tennessee in 1957, computer scientist and engineer Mark Dean helped develop a number of landmark technologies for IBM, including the color PC monitor and the first gigahertz chip. He holds 3 of the company's original 9 patents. He also invented the industry standard architecture system bus with engineer Dennis Moeller, allowing for computer plugins such as disk drives and printers. Percy Julian. Born in Alabama in 1899, pioneering chemist Percy Julian was not allowed to attend high school but went on to earn his PhD. His research at academic and corporate institutions led to the chemical synthesis of drugs to treat glaucoma and arthritis. And although his race presented challenges at every turn, he is regarded as one of the most influential chemists in American history. Madam C.J. Walker. Madam C.J. Walker was born Sarah Breedlove on December 27, 1867, near Delta, Louisiana. After suffering from a scalp ailment that resulted in her own hair loss, she invented a line of African-American hair products in 1905. She promoted her products by traveling around the country, giving lecture demonstrations, and eventually established Madam C.J. Walker Laboratories to manufacture cosmetics and train scales beauticians. Her savvy business acumen led her to be one of the first American women to become a self-made millionaire. Lewis Howard Latimer. Lewis Howard Latimer was an inventor and draftsman best known for his contributions to the patenting of the light bulb and the telephone. He was born in Chelsea, Massachusetts on September 4, 1848 to parents who had fled slavery. Latimer learned the art of mechanical drawing while working at the patent firm. James West. James West is a U.S. inventor and professor who in 1962 developed the electric transducer technology later used in 90% of contemporary microphones. Born in Prince Edward County, Virginia on February 10, 1931, James West attended Temple University before working for Bell Labs. Along with Jared Sessler, he developed a foil electric microphone, an inexpensive compact device that is now used in 90% of all contemporary microphones. A prolific writer as well, West has more than 250 patents and became a professor at Johns Hopkins University. Granville T. Woods. Known as Black Edison, Granville T. Woods was an African-American inventor who made key contributions to the development of the telephone, streetcar, and more. Granville T. Woods was born in Columbus, Ohio on April 23, 1856 to free African-Americans. He held various engineering and industrial jobs before establishing a company to develop electrical apparatus. Known as Black Edison, he registered nearly 60 patents in his lifetime, including a telephone transmitter, a trolley wheel, and a multiplex telegraph, over which he defeated a lawsuit by Thomas Edison. Woods died in 1910. Elijah McCoy. Often regarded as one of the most famous black inventors ever, McCoy was credited for over 50 inventions during the span of his career. In an effort to improve efficiency and eliminate the frequent stopping necessary for lubrication of trains, McCoy devised a method automating the task. In 1872, he developed a lubricating cup that could automatically drip oil when and where it is needed, which is vital in avoiding sticking to the track. This has been ZtothaO Malek. I hope you enjoyed my presentation of 10 more black inventors you may not have heard of. And I hope you like, share, and subscribe and tune in for future videos. Shalom.
ZtothaO Production.